Hey everyone! Do you want to create your own website? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a website on your computer, step by step. We'll be using a website builder called Wix, which is free and easy to use. Step 1. Sign up for Wix. The first step to making a website on your computer is to sign up for Wix. Go to www.wix.com and click on Sign Up. You can sign up with your email or Facebook account. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Wix dashboard. Step 2. Choose a template. Wix has hundreds of templates to choose from, so you're sure to find one that suits your needs. Browse through the templates and choose one that you like. You can customize the template later, so don't worry too much about the details right now. Step 3. Customize your template. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. Click on Edit to start editing your website. You can change the text, images, colors, and layout of your website using the drag and drop editor. You can also add new pages to your website and customize the navigation menu. Step 4. Add apps and widgets. Wix has a wide range of apps and widgets that you can add to your website, such as contact forms, social media buttons, and online stores. To add an app or widget, click on the Add button in the left-hand menu and choose the app or widget you want to add. Step 5. Publish your website. Once you've customized your website and added all the apps and widgets you need, it's time to publish it. Click on Publish in the top right-hand corner of the editor. Your website will be published to a temporary Wix domain. You can purchase a custom domain later if you want. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your very own website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more website making tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.